Hey guys, Ryan Lutz here, and today I want to show you an unboxing of the Alpha Plus Dragon 4 Edition 2 engine combo set with a 2159 exhaust system. So we're going to pop open the lid here, check it out. We got a manual here. Inside includes an exploded view of the engine. So if you ever had to replace any O-rings or get any parts for it, everything's available at LutzRC.com or your local Alpha dealer. Get a nice little sticker sheet. And then to the meat of the package here, we got a glow plug. We got an Alpha P3 super hot glow plug. You get 3 Venturis. You got a 6.5, a 6 mil, and there's a 7 mil already installed in the engine. You got your 2159 exhaust system here. So you got your pipe. And these are a bottom to mid-range strength pipe, but it's got plenty of top too. This engine really does sing. You get exhaust springs, header springs, your grub screw, and some exhaust gaskets there, and your header. And then to your engine itself, that's your Dragon 4 Edition 2 engine. It comes all wrapped up really nice. Now the two big differences between this, the Edition 2 and the original, are your backplate. It has a drilled backplate, so that's could be one of the first engines coming from a manufacturer with the drill from the factory. And then you got a 7.5 carb, you can see right there. So the throat of the carb is actually 7.5 mil. It's supposed to aid in fuel mileage a little bit and kind of your idle. And you'll notice this engine idles absolutely amazing. And then the absolute best part in my mind is this little instruction that says, this engine's pre-broken in. You only need 2 to 4 tanks of easy running before you can start to race tune it. Makes it super easy, pre-broken in from the factory. Be sure to watch my video. I'll link it in the description to the first time firing up the engine. You can just see how easy it is. But that is the combo. And then I'll show you some of the accessories that I add to it, which is, your clutch setup. So this is the Alpha 4-shoe clutch setup, and this one comes with the clutch tool. I have those parts loose right here. So here is that 4-shoe clutch. You can see this thing's like jewelry. It's absolutely beautiful. So you got 2 settings out here, a high and a low. The springs, you can change them. There's a soft, moderate, and hard spring. So you got tons of adjustments you can make to really fine-tune it to your driving style. Also offer a 13-tooth, or I offer many clutch bells. This is the Alpha 13-tooth vented clutch bell. So we got 13, 14, and these things work really well, last a long time, and great pricing. And then this is that clutch tool. So there's a disassembly side and an assembly side. And so you just kind of attach it to the front of the clutch here and follow the arrow instructions. So this would be to assemble this cap right here, and then the opposite side, you would twist this, and that would disassemble and take it apart, allow you to service the clutch. So hopefully that shows you guys a little bit about what we offer at LutzRC.com or your local Alpha retailer. Alpha has a lot of great products, and this is just one of the many. So thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time. Bye-bye.